Hello shoppers, I have an amazing product for all breastfeeding and all future moms today. I have received this electric double breast pump for evaluation purposes and I would love to share my personal opinion. So this breast pump is very nicely designed. It is very compact and lightweight. It is portable. You can easily take it with you while you are on the go. And it features a rechargeable, easy to read LCD display. And it features 4 modes and 9 suction levels. And you can easily control it with touch button. You can change modes, choose the suction levels. Also, it comes with 2 bottle collectors, 140 milliliters. It features various flange sizes. It also comes with this nipple measurement tool. What else? It is rechargeable. It comes with the cables. Also it has this comfortable stands for the milk bottles, and it also comes with the nursing pads, which are disposable, and milk collector bags. Overall, I think it is a great product. I would highly recommend it to you.